A lot of work goes into maintaining it to what it looks like at the moment. We have a very in-depth fertiliser program, so that involves a lot of soil tests to make sure that we're putting the right nutrients into the soil and the plant as we go. I guess one of the questions we get asked all the time is, how do you make it look so green in winter? The answer's ryegrass. So that's what we use to give it that nice green colour in winter. This season we're looking at hosting 150 plus games, which is more than ANZ in the time period of winter, which they host about 120 games. In regards to mowing the field, we mow it generally once a week, maybe twice, and in summer 2 to 3 times a week, I guess. The time it takes to mow, anywhere from an hour and a half to 2.5 hours. And then line marking once a week in winter. That's just to keep our lines looking really fresh and bright. There's a few, I guess, threats for this surface. One of the big ones is pest and disease. So because of the sand profile, we have to put a lot of water on the surface, which encourages a lot of disease growth, especially when it turns humid or very hot very quickly. When it comes to pests, the main ones are generally African black beetle and deal bug. So a lot of the feedback that we receive about Apex is pretty good, especially in regards to the surface. Some of the real highlights are obviously when we host big events like City Country, National Rugby Championship games, but probably the best one is when you speak to former players or people like that who have played on the previous surface that was here, and they tell you how good it looks or how good it feels to be tackled on in comparison to some of the old grounds they've played on with cricket pitches in the middle. But I think some of the highlights are probably just when you get to see players using it.